Hello, friend. Mormo here. It's getting ready to storm. There's gonna be a big winter storm tomorrow, so I'm at Spirit Shop. I need to pick up some smokes, so I have smokes to get through the winter storm, and then I'm gonna go shopping and maybe Taco Bell. So keep watching, keep watching. Okay, friend, I got my supplies. I picked up a Welch's Grape Ghost. For some reason, I can never find this flavor anywhere but Spirit Shop, so I usually get this flavor when I go to Spirit Shop. It's one of my favorites. It's really good, and yeah, they're saying we're gonna get 6 to 10 inches of snow tomorrow. And as you know, I live on a hill, so if there's snow or ice on the road, I'm just stuck in my house. Basically can't leave my house. That's why I need to stock up today and get all my supplies. I need to go get food and my medication. I need to pick up my medication at Walgreens. But it really sucks because there's a food pickup at Smack Gallery on Wednesday, and I'm gonna miss that. I'm probably gonna miss my Paint Your Pet class at the Smack Gallery. I'm really bummed about that. It's just gonna be a week of sitting at my house until the snow melts. And it's supposed to get below 0 degrees as well, so I have to worry about my pipes freezing and stuff. So lots of winter drama for me, basically. Just dealing with the winter drama, getting prepared for the storm. And keep watching, keep watching. Okay, friend, I'm at Walgreens. It's really busy. There's a ton of people in the parking lot. It's probably gonna take forever to get my medication, but keep watching, keep watching. Okay, friend, so I got out of Walgreens, and yeah, it took forever. There was tons of people wanting to get medicine, but they had Valentine's Day candy half off. And I found these red velvet Reese's. Thought I'd give them a try. Red velvet sounds good. Definitely something different. And Reese's has really been doing all kinds of like weirdo Franken candy stuff. So it's interesting to try all the new candies. And you can see it has like a red top and then chocolate at the bottom. Basically, it just tastes like a regular Reese's, no big deal. But it's not, I mean, it's good because it's Reese's, but I couldn't taste anything other than regular Reese's flavor. And this place is so busy, I'm kind of stressed about getting out of here, but keep watching. I'm gonna go shopping next. Okay, friend, I'm going to Country Mart now, and I need to get groceries for the big storm. I'm probably gonna get some lasagnas. I'll probably check out what's available in the deli because I love the deli food at Country Mart. And I'll probably get some cheeseburger sliders, and I'll probably get some fruit. I don't think I'm gonna get milk. I don't really need milk. But anyways, keep watching. Okay, friends, so I got lots of groceries at Country Mart, and they didn't have anything in the deli, and I don't really like shopping at Country Mart because they don't have as many sales as Harder House. But anyways, here I am at Dollar Tree, so keep watching. Hello, friend, it's much later. I had steak for dinner. Brazilian steak. I put Brazilian seasoning on it, and here's He-Man. Say hi, He-Man. Anyways, I watched my team member on original content. They did a hot sauce tasting video, and I thought it was crazy to eat hot sauce like that. But it was really entertaining and well made, and I uploaded my MLM video to Facebook and LinkedIn, and I'm really hoping these MLM videos take me places and get me work. Like, I need to make more money, and art videos are getting less and less popular, and they don't earn money, and I haven't got a sale on my eBay store all month, and so I'm taking a break from art videos, gonna do MLM videos for a while. I'll probably do a few more tonight, and thanks so much for watching. Click the link in the description if you want to get training on how to make money online, and thanks so much.